7 Passive Income Ideas That Actually Work in 2025. Everyone's talking about passive income in 2025. But with so much noise out there, what actually works? In this video, I'll break down 7 passive income ideas that are working right now, not outdated advice from 5 years ago. These are real methods, powered by AI, automation, and smart platforms. Let's dive in. 1. YouTube automation with AI. First up, YouTube automation. This is one of the most scalable passive income streams today. Thanks to tools like ChatGPT, 11 Labs, and AI video editors, you can now create full YouTube videos without showing your face, or even recording your voice. Write scripts with AI. Generate voiceovers in seconds. Edit visuals using stock footage or AI platforms. And upload consistently. Once your channel is monetized, you earn from ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships, even while you sleep. The key? Pick a niche, like finance, productivity, or motivation, and stick with it. 2. Selling digital products. Next, digital products. In 2025, these are more in demand than ever. Think Notion templates, digital planners, AI prompt packs, Canva templates, or niche ebooks written in one afternoon using ChatGPT. Platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, and Etsy allow you to upload your product once, and sell it forever. It's simple, one-time effort. Long-term reward. 3. Affiliate marketing with AI. Affiliate marketing isn't dead, it's evolving. Now, you can use AI to write blog posts, social media content, or YouTube scripts that promote affiliate products automatically. Create content around useful tools, books, or platforms. Add your unique links. And earn every time someone clicks and buys. No product. No inventory. No customer support. Just smart content and smarter links. 4. Licensing AI-generated content. Here's one that's flying under the radar: licensing your content. You can now use AI to generate music, photos, and videos. And upload them to marketplaces like Pond5, Shutterstock, or Artlist. Think ambient music loops. AI-generated art. Stock video clips. You get paid every time someone downloads your content. No marketing needed, just quality and consistency. 5. Print on demand with AI designs. Print on demand is booming again, but this time, AI is doing the design work. Use tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI to create custom t-shirt graphics, mug designs, or stickers. Upload them to platforms like Redbubble or Printful. And let the platform handle printing, shipping, and customer service. You don't need to touch inventory or pay upfront. You just need a great design that hits a niche audience. 6. AI-powered dropshipping. Yes, dropshipping still works, if done the right way. With AI, you can automate product research, write descriptions, build a store, and even respond to customers. Use Shopify and connect it to suppliers through apps like Tsares or Zendrop. Run traffic through TikTok, Instagram Reels, or SEO blogs. Then let automation do the rest. It's not 100% passive, but after the initial setup, it can become a mostly hands-off income stream. 7. Digital real estate and high-yield assets. Last but not least, digital real estate. This includes buying blogs that already earn money from ads or affiliates, investing in REITs that pay monthly dividends, flipping domain names, or building micro-niche websites with AI and letting them earn over time. Think of it like owning online property, without the maintenance or physical hassle. So, let's recap. Here are 7 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. YouTube automation. Digital products. Affiliate marketing. Licensing AI content. Print on demand. AI dropshipping. Digital real estate. The smart move? Pick one and go deep. Focus and master it. Don't try all 7 at once. Then stack others as you grow. If you got value from this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more content like this, and drop a comment below. Which passive income idea are you going to try first? Thanks for watching. Your financial freedom starts now.